Hey traders, T Bradley 90 here. For those who do not know, Alex took on the challenge recently of seeing how much he can grow a $30,000 account in 30 trading days, and the results are in, and he made $84,000 in less than 30 trading days, which turned his $30,000 account into $113,000. Alex recently put together a free mentorship course with his mentor Bao, explaining exactly how he did this. The link is available at myinvestingclub.co/Alex. There's limited seating every single week, so be sure to reserve your spot. As a very special gift to our YouTube viewers, I want to announce something very special. This is my personal phone number, my personal number that I am putting out to you guys. If you have any questions about joining MIC or on the fence about joining our wonderful club, you can contact me now directly and personally, and I will get back to you.
What's going on, guys? Just wanted to take a few minutes and recap my trades for the week. I kind of said at the start of 2020 that I was going to get into doing it more, and I think it would be beneficial for me as far as like a journaling idea, and also if I can provide any value for you guys, that means a lot to me too. So starting the year, it's been like 6 days. I'm up around $5,000, and I kind of wanted to explain, what's been working versus what's not. This has been me this year. Today isn't in trader view yet, so obviously one more day, but so it's been to a good start. And a big thing I want to talk about is I came into this year with the mentality that I was gonna accept and take what the process gave me every day. I wasn't gonna set a dollar goal for myself daily. I was just gonna trade my game and then reap whatever the process provided, and that has been yielding to really worked out well. It's been great. So I kind of want to go over all that. So all right. So one of the first trades I want to go over is AGTC. Now, a big thing that I talk about is to everybody, and Alex is the one that got it in my head from the beginning, was you, when you're trading, if you draw your lines, right, your lines, support, resistance, everything, it gives you confidence in your setups. That's it. It's that simple. So kind of what I did here, in a stock like this too, you have to prepare for range. So you have to size accordingly. So I sized down dramatically. I'm not using my usual. And basically this is what I saw. So pre-market, get that spike, the reclaim, and we push, right? We get $7. It's pushing through 7 wicks. So automatically with these stocks, you can put that whole $half number, but that $7 one was giving it trouble. Kind of fails, rebounds, tries for $6.75 a few times, struggling. The seller had moved down. Same thing. Boom. All right. And then I had this $6.50 line from, it was VWAP. So I just kind of had, I didn't draw VWAP, but it was there. So here's kind of my execution. So in the morning, right when the market opened, it was incredibly weak. I mean, the tape was just brutal. So I just slammed a little and just covered. Nothing crazy. I mean, when I slam like that, I don't go big size because I'm just going for a scalp at that point. And then this is where it got a little tricky, but again, drawing my lines, I had this confidence in my setup. So I planned on scaling my lines and with appropriate size. And again, if you're trading a stock over 5, I always like to give it its range. I always like to give it a dollar range, but that's just personal for me. And I just know I can size that way. So I started kind of attacking my lines. You see on my chart is 650 right in here. I don't know what that was. I don't know why I did that. 650, 670. And then, I'm using 30% kind of on that pushback because that's kind of a front side move to me. So it's, 10%. And then we got that push to 7. And I won't be lying. I was kind of shitting my pants. I was a little nervous. Just on the fact that, it could have sucked if it ripped to 750, who knows. But again, I had confidence in my levels, so it kind of pushed, went all the way through. At this point, I'm not very big, so it's not even a big loss, but I still had to think about it. So I said, all right. So I started thinking about, should I be taking this off? And then, and then we get that kind of rejection. So at this point, Farmer started getting involved, and so I started getting a little bit more confident. So I said, okay, another push and fail. I'm going to add more and just hold this thing with some more confidence. So it pushes, farmer pushes it, rejects again. This is where I screwed up myself. I covered a piece, and I call it a screw up, but also at the same time, I kind of been considering this responsible trading, where I've been in this huge mindset of if I'm oversized, even if I feel like I'm in a good spot, I just take some off, just out of, I want to feel confident no matter what when I'm in the trade. So right here, I sized a little bit bigger than I should have, because it was definitely not considered confirmation quite yet. So I just took a little off, and kind of near my average. I think it just to keep myself safe, just in case we got that rip, and then then the thing starts failing, and that's fine. We kind of got that fail right through like this, my other line. So I slammed some. That's kind of where the intraday VWAP was. So slammed some, covered some, and again, if you look at my covers, this isn't rocket science, right? This is literally me. Now that it's above it, you could have changed this to green, and that was it. Covered into my lines. That's it. Then we get that push back to VWAP, shorted some more, covered some more, shorted some more, covered some more. Something I need to work on is when I'm up big, if I see that I'm up, good amount on the day, I was trying to squeeze every freaking penny out of the trade, and I need to stop doing that, because at the end of the day, sometimes you just end up kind of burning up commissions and making more trades. But in this instance, I kind of saw this like 620 area, and it was just weak, and the whole stock was breaking down, so I just kind of added some more and covered into the wash into like 590, and it was, this was just, I don't know, just stupid. But so yeah, so that was kind of my trade there, and it kind of worked out well. And so let me move on. Close this bad boy out. Let's go on to life. Sorry, I have a little bit of a cold, but it's now part of my process, so I got to get this done. Okay, so life in the morning. Get this spike, playing around VWAP. Fails this 750 area. Same thing. We've been playing a lot of these like bigger name, anything over 5. So again, just that whole $50 number is so important to remember. It's so key.
Hey traders, T Bradley 90 here, Tosh Bradley from My Investing Club chat. Just wanted to reach out to you personally and show you how to contact myself personally if you have any questions about joining MIC, about MIC in general, or are on the fence and need a little bit of guidance before you join. For the first time ever, I have put out my personal number for you to reach me directly among my email at tosh@myinvestingclub.com and our Twitter and IG handles. Reach out today and get any information you need on what makes MIC so great and why you should join us today.